What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So if you guys saw the recent few videos, you would know that my 30th birthday just recently passed. Thank you to all for wishing me a happy birthday. But yeah, if you guys didn't know, I got a bunch of birthday presents from family and friends, and one of them in particular are car parts. So let me show you guys what my cousins Vincent and Calvin got me. So Spoon Sport parts. Here's another one. So yeah, pretty sweet. And if you guys don't know what Spoon Sports are, pretty much they're a huge, really popular brand, especially when it comes to Hondas. You guys might know stuff like Mugen. So when it comes to Hondas, parts like Mugen and Spoon, super rare, as well as very desirable parts. On my S3000, I do have a couple Spoon goodies. So the most obvious one are the wheels. These are Spoon SW388 wheels in that S3000 spec. You guys are wondering, they came out with two runs of these wheels. The first batch were in 16s. These are in 17s, 17 by 9.5 plus 60 square setup, and they are meant for the S3000. I believe when I got them, I'm pretty much the first one or one of the first few to get them here in the US. Super desirable and nice spec. But yeah, Spoon wheels that I'm rocking. Some guys are like, oh, you should go with a full Spoon theme. I like to mix match my parts. So I have parts like Spoon, Mugen, ARC on the car. And then another thing that Spoon is this rear view mirror. It's pretty much an attachment on the glass itself. It is not a full replacement. But a little while back, you guys might have saw a video. I was trying to install it and I pretty much broke it. So I already threw it away, but like I said, I broke it. I filmed a video and my cousin got me a replacement. I already did actually replace it. Like I said, it's just a glass that literally slaps right on to the rear view mirror. So the next thing which we're going to install today are these Spoon Sport parts. So these are actually it says AP1 here, but it should fit the same for the AP2, which is what I have. But they are for the side mirrors. So like I said, I think these are just pretty much overlays, just like the rear view mirror. Blue tint to the glass. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright, so here we have it. Some double-sided tape from 3M and two glass pieces. And it seems like a little Japanese instruction manual. So let's take it out and check it out, see how it looks. Alright, so very nice. You even have this little spoon packaging. I know you guys might be like, it's just plastic. Yeah, just geeking out about it. Even labeled left and right. Pretty cool. And like I said, it's a blue tint to it. It says Spoon Sports. Let's take it out, test fit it against the actual glass and see if it's the same size. So I took out the glass. They even have it labeled here left. And I know this is just plastic, but I'm geeking about this is Spoon Sports here. Very nice packaging. This is the other side, the right side. Actually has an instruction manual here in Japanese, which obviously don't need. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but as you see, you just paste a bunch of double-sided tape. I wasn't sure if it's a full mirror replacement at first, but it seems like with a double-sided tape, you just stick it over the original glass. So let's go ahead and test it and make sure everything fits well first. So everything looks good on the test fit. So I'm just gonna put these double-sided strips. They provided 8 of them. I'm gonna do 4 on each side mirror. Gonna paste it just like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, all double-sided tape good to go, so make sure they're nice and snug. You're gonna peel off a little bit and we'll get to fitting it on the car. Super easy, 5-minute mod. Alright, so one side done. I love that blue tint. And like I said, it's on the little details, little Spoon Sports logo right over here on that bottom right corner. Pretty cool. So I haven't done the passenger side yet, but here's a comparison. Just that clear mirror lens. And if you compare it over here, it might be hard to see. That's a blue spoon lens, this is the normal one. Another thing about these blue lens is the way that they are, it is definitely wider angle, so you get to see more of it. And I believe with the blue tint, it also serves a purpose. So at night, whenever you're driving, if there's lights, headlights behind you that are really bright, this kind of helps with the glare as well. So yeah, very cool. So let's go ahead and step on the passenger side and take a look, see how it looks. And there we have it. Passenger side all done. Looks really good. So we have both driver as well as passenger side done. Again, I know it might not be much and it's super small and subtle. But again, if you know, you know. And definitely adds to little details in the car. Alright, so I know this might be a super simple and short DIY mod, but like I said, super easy, literally 5 minutes, double-sided tape, slips right on. So any S2000 owners, AP1 or AP2, you could do this. They are Spoon Sport side mirror lenses, so JDM points, I know, might be pricey. But big thank you again to my cousins Vincent and Calvin for getting me that birthday present. If you guys like the S2000 mods, leave a thumbs up. Super stoked. This car has been fun to drive. But yeah, stay tuned for more content. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.